Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Welcome to Poleeno Multimedia once again. You posted video be about guy beer otimi enya kokudro eto soja ni blue ema essence bebre na nkofo kafa ho trendy. I think that the COVID-19 issue now our country now. To say we are diverting all the attention to how our police and soldiers now treat the civilians or country. I think say you focus of educating sanyoma na a divert. But then a quite based on a video no started as Abra fire service personnel be question guy no say okohin in that town and see omode nema military guy no and I'm military man no and then I think the communication didn't go as expected and see the kobai and say you be punishing and the punishment nim na okotu blow and I didn't sense me by ya kwache no alright but then never say I don't know whether I think the neck call cells or not say no omanya mfana uncle and drop in. They asked to say then see later in the Poleeno Multimedia yada so ADHD yada bebrem. Is this thing right? Like and your man a no right where the way I was sitting and say bobon and say a police nini bisan soja nini bisan and say I don't want me be yeah that's na akwe nyoma bebre and I think say yes your man likwan say kokoti. We need to explain things. President say okoto aduane otimiko okoto electricity otimiko okoto gas otimiko nti emu bia na okoto edra otimiko nti mu bia na think say omusu ye nipa say nti say me pie na say we share na me ka kire say me koto aduane. I don't think say I deserve all this punishment. I don't know much there, but yes or no, yen try say ye be shifi over tunu blue are hosam. Yes,
I could no more two home. No home. No more chin. The soldier near Duruhako steady. So yeah. Quiet mafia. Still explaining. Explaining home to ayaka why gidi safi ya china basuja ni na nkasa ho kwa moja na nga comply ya wenye namba bejina suja ni hedi oye kujina on tabako he to he that's it na say Allah wasini timinya fi so for heat in the cough form. Hey. That's a con. What to show the blue?